Are you looking for the best Epson sublimation printers? In this video we will look at some of the best Epson sublimation printers on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2760. The Epson EcoTank ET2760 is one of the most economical printers you'll ever come across, and it's more suited for sublimation printing than you think. You just need to load it up with the proper sublimation ink, and you're good to go. Instead of using a traditional ink cartridge system, the ET2760 utilizes a refillable super tank that you can easily refill with the EcoFill bottles. This will dramatically help you save up on ink costs, as the bottles cost significantly less than ink cartridges. Plus, the EcoTank can print at a resolution of 1440p, ensuring that your prints come up sharp enough for sublimation jobs. As for connectivity, the EcoTank 2760 supports USB and Ethernet. It doesn't support Wi-Fi, though, but if you primarily use it to print from your desktop computer, it shouldn't be much of an issue. It's also worth mentioning that the EcoTank ET2760 works with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can conveniently print your sublimation graphics using voice commands. Number 2. Epson EcoTank ET2720. Just like the ET2760 model, the Epson EcoTank boasts a refillable super tank that you can easily fill with sublimation ink and save up on cartridge costs. One of the primary advantages of the ET2720 printer over the ET2760 is that it supports wireless printing over Wi-Fi. So, if you heavily rely on your mobile phone for printing sublimation graphics or print off several devices, the ET2720 would serve you well. However, unlike the ET2760 model, this printer doesn't have a memory card slot. It doesn't support duplex printing, either. Other than that, the ET2720 is vastly similar to the ET2760. It supports voice commands using Alexa and Google Assistant, integrates a built-in copier and scanner, and supports USB and Ethernet printing. It can also print a maximum resolution of 1440p. Number 3. Epson WorkForce WF 7710. The Epson WorkForce WF 7710 is capable of delivering an outstanding sublimation print quality, with a 2400p print resolution coupled with Epson's precision core technology. What's more, this printer flaunts a maximum print speed of 10 parts per million for colored prints, making it one of the fastest inkjet printers out there. As for connectivity solutions, the WorkForce WF 7710 supports USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi printing. On top of that, you can use Wi-Fi Direct for fast and easy printing from your mobile devices. It also supports NFC, so you can print your sublimation designs from your smartphone by simply tapping it on the printer. The only downside is that the WF 7710 isn't the best when it comes to running costs. This one will consume a lot of ink. Number 4. Epson Expression Photo HD XP15000. The Epson Expression XP15000 can print on media as large as 13 by 19, making it suitable for sublimation printing on t-shirts and other large items. We also like the fact that it's pretty compact for a wide format printer. The input tray can take up to 200 sheets, coupled with a 50-sheet tray for specialty paper. The printer also integrates a 6-cartridge ink system that delivers outstanding color accuracy. Add to that the 1440p resolution, and you get yourself some pretty sharp and vibrant sublimation prints. The XP15000 printer is also quite easy to use, thanks to the 2.4 LCD touchscreen that lets you access the printer's settings, execute commands, and preview your prints. As for print speed, the XP15000 can print at a speed of 9 parts per million, which should be enough for most users. Number 5. Epson WorkForce WF 7720. Just like the WorkForce WF 7710, the upgraded Epson WorkForce WF 7720 delivers industry-leading print quality with a 2400p resolution and the Epson Precision Core technology. What's more, the Epson WF 7720 is perfect for high-volume printing, thanks to the massive 500-sheet input paper tray. It also has a 125-sheet output tray and a dedicated tray for specialty paper. There's also an intuitive 4.3 LCD touchscreen that enables you to control the printer's functions conveniently and preview your prints. And whenever you're in a rush, you can count on the WF 7720 to deliver your prints quickly with a maximum color print speed of 10 parts per million. The cherry on top is that the 7720 can print over USB, Ethernet, Wi-Fi Direct, and NFC. This makes it easier for you to print from all of your devices in more than one method.